So, welcome to Gupta Coaching Center. Right now, we are in the premises of Gupta Coaching Center and we have a very special guest. We have Deepak, and he will share his experience. How did he learn English, and what he do in his profession? What do he do? So he will tell us about himself everything. So I will ask to Deepak. So Deepak Gupta, now can you tell our student that what do you do, and what is the role of English in your field where you work?
Morning to Gautam. Okay, so thank you very much to giving me opportunity. First of all, let me introduce myself, who I am and why I'm going to give you introduction here. So my name is Deepak Gupta. I'm enthusiastic about in finance sector and English. Okay, so right now I am doing a work as a tutor in a different field, and a part of that, because as a tutor I am work in the evening time, but in the morning time I am a work as a trader in the stock market. Right now I have an experience of past 3 years, and still I have an experience of 2000, or you can say 2500 plus trades. Okay, now I'm going to tell the importance of English in this field. So in this field, as you know that English is a universal language. If we don't know the English, suppose that, let me give you one example. Once you stand among the groups of the people, okay, and someone say, okay, you need to just give your presentation in English, but you are the only person or only candidate or only cadet. You know how to speak in English, and you know only how to behave like a English. But another person, if I'll talk about the others, they don't know how to speak English. So what you feel? Now you may tell, you also know that your feeling is undefined. You cannot at that point of time you cannot define your feelings, because you know that English. I know that at that time, at that point of time, you feel confident because you are something different from the others. That's the only thing which I tell to you. English is very much important, because if we don't know English, so we cannot do anything. Because in this generation, in this modern generation, even if we use mobile phone, so we should use in English only. So that's all of things from my side. You should learn English, and English is a various scope. If you want to make the career in this field, so English has a enough and enough space, and it will definitely, I have an surety about that, it will definitely give you one place there you can build your career as a tutor. Okay, and in your fields as a professional, either, no matter which profession you choose, but English is everywhere and it will definitely help you.
Very nice. As you was right now, Deepak Gupta is a very fluent English speaker. He spoke in front of you very fluently, and he told us about the importance of English in his field. As he told us that he's working in stock market for last 3 years, and he's also a tutor in a different sector. He's teaching students in different subjects, and now I want to ask to Deepak that you are a very fluent English speaker. So can you share your journey, that how did you learn English and how you are so fluent right now as you spoke right now? So can you give any suggestion to our student that how can they learn English and how can they speak fluently, and can you share your journey towards learning English in front of our students?
Okay, if I'll tell my journey of English speaking and to be as a speaker, so it was started after my 12th class. Okay, once I completed my 12th class, okay, at that point of time I was free. I don't have any kind of work. I joined some different courses like field technician and networking and storage at Kirti Nagar branch. At that point of time I didn't realize that we should learn English. Okay, but one of my friend is there who at that point of time he learned English in some institution. He told me about this. Okay, and he tell that, okay, we should learn English, and he advised me. At that point of time I don't know how to speak in English. So at that time, as like you, I unable to speak English a single word. I know, it doesn't mean I am not able. I am able to speak, but not like as a fluently, or I have only few words like as usual we have at a class of 6th and 7th class students. So it's like a similar. and there is no speciality or you cannot differentiate with others at that point of time. But now it will start. Now I started give time to myself and started learning English. Okay, so now I'm going to give you some tips which is help you to improve your English speaking. If you really want to be an English speaker, so please note down my points. Point number 1, you need to just think in English only. Point number 2, you should started read books, novels, comics as per your interest. Suppose that my interest in finance sector, that's why I'm try to read the financial books, not comics and all. I don't have any kind of interest in different sector except finance, so I will try to read finance book. Like now I'm going to give you some example also, like Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, and one of the most book is popular, How to Invest in Stock Market. That book is written by Benjamin Graham. How to become an intelligent investor, that's name of the book. Okay, and point number 3 is that if you really want to be a speaker and you are dedicated about that, so at that point of time, point number 3 is that you need to just try to find out, you need to just create an environment of English. You should join a kind of institution where you find a proper environment to speak in English, because environment is the only thing where you can improve yourself. If you don't have an environment, you will take a lot of time. It can be possible you may take a quarter, half year or year also. There is no surety of that, but English is the only thing which comes through the practice. So now at the last point, you should be a dedicated person and do a practice on the regular basis. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Deepa Gupta, for sharing your experience towards learning English, and you gave some tips to our students that how our student can learn English. And the most important thing that you mentioned here, that we need an English speaking environment so that we can speak fluent English uh, very quickly. So if you don't have English speaking environment, then it will take a longer time to learn English. So for that thing, in our English speaking class in Gupta Coaching Center, we have created no Hindi zone, and we talk to each other. We try to speak because practice is the most important thing if we talk about learning English to speak fluently. So we do a lot of activities also so that student can learn English very quickly. So if you want to be a very fluent English speaker, if you want to learn English, and if you want to be a global person, then English is very important for you. If you want to join our English speaking class, you can contact us on the number that you can see on the screen, and you may join English speaking class in Gupta Coaching Center. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in the next video.